students, in before class we have studied some points. So remember once again these points. Components that separated in mixtures. So ಮಿಶ್ರ ವಸ್ತುವಿನಿಂದ ವಿವಿಧ ಘಟಕಗಳನ್ನು ಬೇರ್ಪಡಿಸೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. And also colloids, their properties, their components and examples. Today learn some parts. So here identify different methods. By these methods, separate components from mixtures. So ಯಾವ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಆ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಮಿಶ್ರ ವಸ್ತುವಿನಿಂದ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬೇರ್ಪಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. So here identify different methods: evaporation, centrifugation, using separating funnel, filtration method, sublimation method, distillation, fractional distillation. So those are all called as different methods. By these methods, separate components in mixture. So here let us study one by one. By which one method they separate component in mixture? Come to first one method here, evaporation method. Second one method, centrifugation method. Third one method, separation of two immiscible liquid. Fourth one method, sublimation. So now comes to one by one. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. Now comes to first one method, that's called evaporation. Comes to first one method called evaporation method. Evaporation. By this method, here how did you understand define evaporation? But now by this method, separate colored component. ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಧಾನದಿಂದ ಕಲರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬೇರ್ಪಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. What do you understand here? This is one of the method. By this method, separate colored component. Remember this point: separate colored component in mixture. Separate colored component. So that one known as dye. ಬಣ್ಣ ಇರುವ ಘಟಕ, ಬಣ್ಣ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅಂಶ. Separate colored component from mixture, blue ink or block ink. From mixture, that's called blue ink or block ink. Block ink. So here mixture now called what? Blue ink or block ink. So ಅದರಿಂದ ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಬೇರ್ಪಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ? colored component. Which one? dye. Blue ink ಮತ್ತೆ black ink ಇಂದ colored component ಅನ್ನು ಬೇರ್ಪಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. Name of the method? Evaporation method. So this is the first part. Sometimes we are not understand all the points, not possible explanation. Separation of colored component from the dye, from the mixture, or from the blue ink or block ink. But method are ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. How does it separate? By which method separate colored component in blowing or blocking? The method is known as evaporation. Remember this part. Now comes to explanation. We are given one of the picture, one of the experiment, one of the activity. By that activity, now comes to this point here. By that activity. Now explain separation of colored component from blowing or block ink. So now draw the diagram. Later goes to explanation. So here observe how to write the neat diagram. So mention here. So beaker. So here take different equipments or apparatus. And take some amount of water in beaker. Label the parts also. That's called beaker. So that's called water. So beaker kept on wherever stand. Beaker kept on stand. So remember here. So you are mentioned the stand. Kept on stand and also here mentioned. So here that's called the stand. And beaker heated with the help of Bunsen burner or spirit lamp. Beaker heated. So here mentioned simple diagram. By that diagram, we go to explanation. That's called what? Spirit lamp. Otherwise, that's called Bunsen burner. So here also mention the other one part. So that is commonly called as beaker. Here mention other one part. That's called the watch glass. So that's called what? Watch glass. So that's label. So ಗಾಜಿನ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾದ ಒಂದು ತಟ್ಟೆ, that we call it watch glass. So label here this one. So this is simple diagram. So here take mixture. Here take mixture. The mixture that is called blowing or blocking. Now mention blowing or blocking. That's called the watch glass. So label this one watch glass. So dear students, here remember, explain separation of colored component from blowing or blocking by the diagram. Then draw this neat diagram. With activity explain, so then draw neat diagram. So here take different apparatus: watch glass, beaker, stand, spirit lamp, water, blowing. Such parts are labeling here also. Okay, how to explain? First point, always remember some cases. Explain with the diagram or activity. First point, apparatus arranged shown in this diagram. A point ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Apparatus arranged shown in this diagram. Arranged shown in this diagram. ಈ ತರ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. Arranged in this diagram. That's the first point. Some cases to explain. Apparatus arranged shown in this diagram. Take some amount of water in beaker. Beaker kept on the stand. Take some amount of blowing in watch glass. Watch glass kept on the beaker. Apparatus arranged shown in this diagram. Take some amount of water in beaker. Beaker kept on the stand. Take some amount of blowing in watch glass. Watch glass kept on the beaker. Beaker slowly heated by the spirit lamp. ಈ ತರ 5 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ವೈಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. Remember, not watch glass directly heated because it is kept on the beaker. Otherwise, here beaker slowly heated. So what do you observe? Whenever beaker slowly heated, whenever beaker slowly heated, whenever beaker slowly heated, so here we identify some changes that takes place. Beaker ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟರ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ, beaker ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಚ್ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಲೂ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ, ಗಾಜಿನ ತಟ್ಟೆ. ಆ ವಾಚ್ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬೀಕರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿದೀವಿ. ಬೀಕರ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಹೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಗಳನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. Changes that takes place. What happens whenever beaker heated slowly by spirit lamp? Changes that takes place after some time they are identified. Which one changes that takes place here? Evaporation takes place. Evaporation ಆಗೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಗಮನಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. Because watch glass ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬ್ಲೂಯಿಂಗ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಥವಾ ಬ್ಲಾಕಿಂಗ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Ink is a mixture in water. It is not a single substance. ಈ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಇಂಕ್ ಏನಿದೆ that is not a single substance. It is mixture in water. ವಾಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಮಿಶ್ರಣಗೊಂಡಿದೆ. Whenever watch glass heated, otherwise beaker heated, so blue ink or blocking here takes place evaporation in watch glass. So stop the heating, evaporation is also be stopped. Continue heating, evaporation is also become continue. Beaker heat ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, watch glass ಅಲ್ಲಿ blue ink mixture evaporation ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಕೂಡ evaporation ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ವಾಚ್ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ evaporation ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So totally by this method separate colored component in mixture in blue ink or blocking. Here separate colored component that is called the ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬೇರ್ಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬೇರ್ಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯಾವುದು? evaporation ಮೆಥಡ್. ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಏನಿಂದ ಬೇರ್ಪಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ? colored component in or from blowing or blocking. Okay, so ಇದರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. goes to next point. Here separate colored component. How to separate it? ಯಾವುದು ಬೇರ್ಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? separate colored component, that means separate volatile component. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆವಿ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಗುಣ ಇರುವ ವಸ್ತು evaporate ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ blowing and blocking in water, ಈ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ volatile component, separate volatile component, volatile component. volatile component ಬೇರ್ಪಡುತ್ತದೆ. ಆವಿ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಗುಣ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ component. In the mixture of blue ink or blocking in water, which one now called volatile component? Water. So that one called what? Also solvent. ಆವಿ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಗುಣ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತದ್ದು ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Water. Volatile component separated from non-volatile solute. ಆವಿ ಆಗದೇ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ component ಯಾವುದು ಈ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? That is called solute. Non-volatile solute. Solute commonly dissolved substance, but here in this mixture non-volatile solute means ಇದು ಆವಿ ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. In mixture of blue ink or blocking, water is the volatile component. Blue ink or blocking, colored component is non-volatile solute. Water is volatile component. Non-volatile solute is blue colored component or other one. Which one colored component? ಯಾವ colored component ಇದೆ? That is a non-volatile solute. So water is a volatile component. Mixture of blue ink or blocking in water. Water is a volatile component. Colored component is non-volatile component. So colored component watch glass ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. Water evaporate ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ಲೂ ಇಂಕ್ ಆರ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ವಾಟರ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ವಾಟರ್ evaporate ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬ್ಲೂ ಆರ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಕಲರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ರಿಮೈನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so this is the first method, separation of components in mixture. The first method evaporation, by this method separate colored component in blue ink or blocking. Now goes to second one method. Now identify second one method. By this method also separate the component in mixture. So here it should be remember name of the methods. It should be remember name of the methods. So now goes to second one method here. Identify centrifugation method. Centrifugation method. That is the second one method. So name of the method centrifugation. By this method, which one separated? That one remember should be remember. Name of the method centrifugation. By this method, separate cream from the milk. By this method, separate. Always remember. ಈ ವಿಧಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನನ್ನ ಬೇರ್ಪಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ? Separate cream from the milk. Milk ಇಂದ cream ಅನ್ನ ಬೇರ್ಪಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. Separate cream from the milk. Remember this point. Name of the method centrifugation. Which one separated cream from the milk? So now comes to some points about by this method. ನಮಗೆ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯಾವುದು ಎನ್ನೇ ಬೇರ್ಪಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಅದು ಅಗತ್ಯ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಕೆಲವು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. We buy varieties of pockets, milk pockets in dairies also and milk centers. So they buying or purchasing poly packets, tetra packets, toned milk, creamed milk, double toned milk, ಕೆನೆ ರಹಿತ ಹಾಲು, creamed milk, ಕೆನೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಹಾಲು, ಡಬಲ್ ಟೋನ್ಡ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್, ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಂಶ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಹಾಲು, ಪಾಲಿ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್, ಟೆಟ್ರಾ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್, ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಹಾಲು. Totally buying varieties of milk packets. Remember this point. Buying different varieties of milk pocket in dairies. Buying milk pockets. Remember here, buying milk pockets. So here, these packets contain different amount of fat content. Different amount of fat content. ವಿವಿಧ ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಂಶ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವೇನು ಬೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಆ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಪಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿವಿಧ ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಂಶ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಿಫ್ಯೂಗೇಷನ್ ಮಿಷಿನ್. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಮಿಷಿನ್, ಒಂದು ಯಂತ್ರವನ್ನು ಬಳಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಿಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬೈ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಿಫ್ಯೂಗೇಷನ್. ಸೆಂಟ್ರಿಫ್ಯೂಗೇಷನ್ ಮಿಷಿನ್. We are using centrifugation machine. Centrifuge milk separate cream from the milk. Otherwise, by churning milk in houses also. Churning milk in houses also. So ಮೊಸರು ಕಳೆಯುವುದು ಆ ಥರ ಅರ್ಥ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಮನೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ಸ್. Churning milk ಆ ಒಂದು ಆಪರೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಒಂದು ದಟ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ವುಡ್. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ತರ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತುವನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊಸರನ್ನ ಕಡಿತೀವಿ, ಆ ಅರ್ಥ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೆಂಟ್ರಿಫ್ಯೂಗೇಷನ್ ಮಿಷಿನ್ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಇಂದ ಬೇರ್ಪಡಿಸಬಹುದು. ಮನೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಚರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿ ಚರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಟೋಟಲಿ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್. ಸೊ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಇಂದ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬೇರ್ಪಡಿಸಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ name of the method centrifugation method. By this method separate cream from the milk. In this method use centrifugation machine. Or by churning milk also separate cream from the milk, butter from the milk. Cream ಅನ್ನು ಬೇರ್ಪಡಿಸಬಹುದು, ಬೆಣ್ಣೆಯನ್ನು ಬೇರ್ಪಡಿಸಬಹುದು. This is some parts about centrifugation. Now goes to other one important point under the centrifugation. Some users identify this method. That one termed as application. Users identify. That one called as application. Application or uses of centrifugation method. That means this method applied wherever. How does this method is benefited or uses? ಈ ವಿಧಾನವನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಏನು ಪ್ರಯೋಜನಗಳಾಗುತ್ತೆ? That one, uses of centrifugation or application of centrifugation. ಈ ವಿಧಾನವನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. This method applied in diagnostic laboratory. This method applied in diagnostic laboratory. ಪ್ರಯೋಗಾಲಯಗಳು laboratory. For test blood or urine. For blood test and also urine test. ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯಾವುದು, ಸೆಂಟ್ರಿಫ್ಯೂಗೇಷನ್. ಏನನ್ನ ಬೇರ್ಪಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ? ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಇಂದ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬೇರ್ಪಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ, ಬಟರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬೇರ್ಪಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಸೆಂಟ್ರಿಫ್ಯೂಗೇಷನ್ ಮೆಷಿನ್ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ ಈ ವಿಧಾನವನ್ನ? ವೆರೆವರ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ in our day to day life. Applied wherever, one of the uses, one of the application also. Applied in diagnostic laboratory for blood test or urine test. ರಕ್ತ ಪರೀಕ್ಷಾ ಕೇಂದ್ರಗಳು ಏನಿದೆ, ಸುಸಜ್ಜಿತವಾದ ಡಯಾಗ್ನೋಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬೋರೇಟರೀಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲು, ಯೂರಿನ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲು ಈ ವಿಧಾನವನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. And other method, other one uses of this method. ಅದು ಯಾವ ಯೂಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಈ ವಿಧಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Where are applied also? This method also applied in diaries. Applied in diaries. Diaries. So ಆಲಯ ಕೇಂದ್ರಗಳು ಏನಿದ್ದಾರೆ, so there also applied this method. And also houses, ಮನೆಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ವಿಧಾನವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ by churning milk. So this method applied in houses, also applied in diaries, also separate the butter from the milk. Separate butter from milk. So that was the second one application. Third one application, this method also applied in washing machine. This method also applied in washing machine. Applied washing machine, squeeze out water from clothes. So washing machine ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಏನಿದೆ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಲು, ಹಿಂಡಲು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಕ್ವೀಸ್ ಔಟ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಇನ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ಸ್. Then applied centrifugation method. Remember, there are three main applications here given or also identified by centrifugation method. Or wherever applied this method, applied in diagnostic laboratory for blood test and urine test. Applied in diaries and also for separate the butter from the milk, and used in washing machine, squeeze out water from clothes. Okay, first one method, evaporation. Which one separated? Colored component. Second method, centrifugation. Which one separated? Cream from the milk or butter from the milk. Now goes to another one method also. So by this method, separate components in mixture. Now goes to third one method, adapting separation of components in mixture. Here we use one of the operators that is called as separating funnel. One of the operators called as separating funnel. ಒಂದು ಆಪರೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದನ್ನ we call it as separating funnel ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Called what? Separating funnel. So by these operators, this is called what? Operators. ಒಂದು ಸಾಧನ, operators. By these operators separate which one? ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಒಂದು ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿ ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Which one operators? Separating funnel. Now draw the neat diagram of separating funnel. So here identified how to. So here draw the diagram separating funnel. So this one now called the separating funnel. So remember here students, this one called separating funnel. That's why need to diagram of separating funnel also. By separating funnel, separate. Which one separate by separating funnel? Two immiscible liquids. Remember this point. Two immiscible liquids. Two immiscible. ಪರಸ್ಪರ ಮಿಶ್ರಣಗೊಳ್ಳದೇ ಇರುವ two immiscible liquids. ಎರಡನೇ ಬೇರ್ಪಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ two immiscible liquids. So here now called as two immiscible liquids, mixture of kerosene and water. ಈ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್ ಯಾವುದು? kerosene and water. So that's one now called what? Mixture. Here in this mixture which is separated, both are separated. Kerosene and water both are separated. Immiscible means ಪರಸ್ಪರ ಮಿಶ್ರಣಗೊಳ್ಳದೇ ಇರುವ ಅಥವಾ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Two immiscible liquids ಪರಸ್ಪರ ಮಿಶ್ರಣಗೊಳ್ಳದೇ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ liquids ಯಾವುದು? Kerosene oil and water ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Using which apparatus? Separating funnel ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So ಅಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ. By using separating funnel, separate the two immiscible liquids. By using separating funnel, separate the mixture of water and kerosene oil. Likewise, colored component separated by evaporation. Butter separated from the milk, cream separated from the milk by the method of centrifugation. Two immiscible liquids separated by using separating funnel. Otherwise, the mixture of water and kerosene are separated by using separating funnel. So explain by separating funnel, separate the two immiscible liquids. ಅಂದಾಗ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ explain ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So this is called separating funnel. Remember, that's called separating funnel. It is labeled the part separating funnel. They are mentioned the layers also. That's called the kerosene oil. Kerosene oil. So that's called what? Kerosene oil. And it's called what? Water. And this mentioned stopcock. So ಇದರ ಲೇಬಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸೆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫನ್ನಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ stopcock, water, kerosene, separating funnel. How to explain? Take a mixture of water and kerosene oil, separating funnel fixed in the stand. So ಅದು ಬರೀತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Explain separation of two immiscible liquids by using separating funnel ಅಂದಾಗ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಂತ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So parts label ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Separating funnel, kerosene oil. So mention this layer also, line also. ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. That is very necessary. So here kerosene oil. So here layer. That's now called what? Layer. So ಈ ತರ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ layer. Okay. Explain separation of two immiscible liquids by using separating funnel. Explain separation of water and kerosene oil by using separating funnel. Then draw this diagram and label the parts also. Explain by step-wise step. Take a mixture of water and kerosene oil in separating funnel that is fixed in the stand. And here this is undisturbed some hours or some minutes. Separating funnel ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್ ಯಾವುದು? kerosene oil and water. Separating funnel fixed to the stand. stand ಗೆ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So you are not label. Fixed to the stand. And undisturbed. This mixture or funnel undisturbed some minutes. Disturbance ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. After some minutes, what do you observe? You observe separate the water and kerosene oil in separating funnel. that identified by they are collected in different layers. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೆರೋಸಿನ್ ಆಯಿಲ್ ಸೆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫನಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಗ್ರಹಣೆ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಪದಾರ್ಥ ಮೂಲಕ ಬೇರ್ಪಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟರ್ ಆರ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಲೋಯರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸೆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫನಲ್, ಆಯಿಲ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಆರ್ ಸೆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫನಲ್. ಸೊ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ, ಸೆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫನಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ, ಸೆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫನಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಶೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫನಲ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಗಮನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಆ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಾಟರ್ ಸೆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫನಲ್ ತಳಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಗ್ರಹಣೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಲೋಯರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಗ್ರಹಣೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕೆರೋಸಿನ್ ಆಯಿಲ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಬೌವ್ ದಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಆರ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸೆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫನಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಗ್ರಹಣೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದರ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ವೈಸ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಟೇಕ್ ಎ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೆರೋಸಿನ್ ಆಯಿಲ್ ಸೆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫನಲ್, ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಟು ದಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ undisturbed some minutes. After some minutes identified, water collected lower part of the separating funnel, kerosene are collected upper part of the separating funnel are above the water, both are separated by layer. ಇದರ 5 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಏನು ಬೇಡ ಸರ್ ಬರ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ two invisible liquids separated by the method. You have mentioned the operators separating funnel. The two immiscible liquids separated by using separating funnel. Mixture of water and kerosene are separated by using separating funnel. Astara gottibeko. Okay. Here water and kerosene are separated by layer. Open the stopcock. Water is easily collected. Whenever water collected, close the stopcock. Kerosene will stay in the separating funnel. Okay, at least remember the method. Mixture of two immiscible liquids separated by using separating funnel, or mixture of water and kerosene are separated by using operator separating funnel. So cream separated from the milk or butter separated from the milk by the method of centrifugation. Colored component separated from blue or blocking by the method of evaporation. ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯಾವುದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇರ್ಪಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿಡ್ ಸಚ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಲರ್ನ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಸಬ್ಲಿಮೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ and paper chromatography method, filtration method, distillation, fractional distillation, learn so many parts in the next class. Okay, thank you.